Volvo Vera. The biggest names in the industry are also developing innovative concepts. For instance, Volvo has created this vehicle, the Volvo Vera, which is a component of the future transport solution concept that anticipates autonomous and environmentally friendly transportation. The Volvo Vera is an option for transportation on regular routes, such as at airports, factories, and warehouses. The control tower drives the vehicle, which can move up to 70,548 pounds of freight at speeds of roughly 25 miles per hour. Zero-emission autonomous vehicles will play a significant role in the future of logistics and be advantageous to both businesses and society, according to Volvo, which has worked with the logistics company DFDS to create an integrated solution to move cargo from the logistics center to the port terminal in Gothenburg, Sweden. Hyperport. Although it is yet a concept, the creator's ideas are amazing. It is likely that the Hyperport system may aid the YQN Link service at some point during operation. The system is compatible with 40-foot containers and will be able to move about 2 820-foot equivalent units per day, according to its designers. It took more than 20,000 hours to build the system, but the result is clearly worth it in its current form, making it fully ready for commercialization. Each of these pods can carry 2 standard 20-foot containers at airplane speed, covering hundreds of miles in minutes. Einride. The Swedish startup Einride is pursuing objectives that are comparable. Their project entails the remote control of many pieces of machinery. It entails swapping the drivers for operators. The company currently has 3 automobiles available. The Pod, a small variant that can reach 12 miles per hour and transports typical freight containers. The Truck, the largest vehicle in the fleet, which can carry roughly 52,911 pounds of freight. The Trailer, an all-purpose module with a 404-mile range. Currently, the team is actively recruiting new members, and employment openings are posted on the website. Therefore, the business encourages you to join the forefront of technology. New logistics technologies are obviously of importance to China as well, as the country's GDP is mostly accounted for by its logistics expenditures. In addition, 9 of the 50 biggest ports in the world are located in this nation. Consequently, the work's scope is rather broad. This idea was created by the Chinese business YQN Link, which has been working to build one of the top logistics digital platforms in the world. The ambitious goal of the Chinese is to make shipping as simple as purchasing an airline ticket. An intelligent system is being created for this purpose. All the links in the logistics chain, as well as the current position and state of the equipment, will be visible after obtaining the necessary data, and it then offers the best delivery alternative. The technology will also warn of potential delays and provide an alternate path. DDC Condor. Drone transport. In addition to purchasing drones, customers in Canada can also fully integrate them into a range of industries, including mining and medicine. It is also possible to arrange delivery in remote or difficult-to-reach areas. Opportunities to do so exist. For instance, the Condor drone can transport up to 400 pounds at 75 miles per hour. The model is built to handle large volumes of bulk shipments, and it is compatible with the patented DDC flight system. The drone's maximum flight range is 124 miles. Race Transport Rig. The system appears to be beneficial for moving cars as well as any necessary spare parts and consumables for their owners. The 2 tractor units can make parking and entering hangars easier, and because the sections fold vertically, it can also be utilized as a sort of exhibition platform. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now. You won't regret it. Thanks for your time.